Arena4D position tool. All objects appearing in the workspace tree here can be positioned, and to do so, first select the object. So in this instance it's this truck, which happens to be a point cloud. It doesn't have to be a point cloud. Move up to the hairs, picture of a mouse, so position, select the position tool, and then we have the position tool with 3 movable axes and 2 sets of rotation tools. But you'll see here, if I move this truck forwards and backwards, it's obviously not moving straight up this car park piece here, this piece of road. Also, you'll notice it's not all, depending on how I zoom in and move the point cloud, it's not always easy to select the position tool. Yes, I can see this one, but I can't move it backwards and forwards. So 2 things I would do. First, I would straighten this position tool with the object itself. So if I press the shift key, you'll see the center sphere turns blue. Now I can use the position tool and square it up with the vehicle. So that will now, as I did first off, move forwards and backwards perfectly straight, and across perfectly straight as well. It is useful though if I just move this position tool using the shift key up. Now it's very easy for me to zoom in. The position tool is displayed clearly forwards and backwards. So to show the opposite of that, pressing the shift key, sphere turns blue. Push the position tool down. That's a nice place to have it in the center, but at certain angles it's just not going to work. So using the shift key, position it where you like. I could move it down here to the front, and it's then just very simple to move forwards and backwards, left and right. The rotation circles here, again, rotate and forwards and backwards. If you make any mistakes, you can press Ctrl Z or undo icon from the top here. So we've got that back to where it was. Also, you can hold the shift key down and rotate these and not the actual data object. So a couple of useful tips. The shift key held down positions the position tool. If no shift key, you position the data. Once finished, turn off the position tool and we're done.